This is the fence. I'm doing 2 openings. I don't want it to go too close. They have some custom dogs, but there's an opening there and an opening there. I'm closing it up, and I'm leaving the post. The post is still good. They just want me to put the 2x4, and it's pretty straightforward. You have nail guns, you have a leveler. I have 2 different ones. One for the 2x4 is a framing nail gun, and one for the pickets. Okay, all right. I'll show you after. All right, I did the fence. I finished right now. It took me like 40 minutes longer because I ran out of nails. So the customer bought some nails for a hammer right there with my gun. Right there, I ran out of the coil nails. So you got 16 feet. And I just charged labor. They supplied all the material. I have a coil inside my garage. I should have looked for more. I just wasn't in a rush to get out of here. Other than that, I have my framing nails, and it worked out great. And what you need is going to need a leveler, saw, scale saw, compressor, nail gun, and a drill, crowbar, and a tape measure, and a square. It's right there, square. That's all you need to build it, basically build a fence, and a string on top. So this is just a fix. I guess a tree fell, hit it, messed it up. It kept the post. The posts are strong. It just ruined the fence. So I replaced the fence, the 2x4s and the pickets, and reinforced 2x4 over there. I'll show you how I reinforced it. Actually, I like the way how they reinforced their 4x4. That's the way I do it. It's the easiest way to do it. See how they did it? They sistered it, a 4x4, put it in the ground, then they bolted it. It's the easiest way, and it looks better instead of that pipe people use. So I reinforced here. I put a 2x4 going up, and I toe nailed this 2x4. Toe nailed it. I added another one for this one. Got one nail in there. It's all getting rotted. Other than that, it's good. So, yeah. All right, I gotta clean up. I gotta get this stuff in my trailer, way over there. I need to pull it in, I guess. I hate doing that, but yeah, that's it. So all you need is a handyman to just get out there and do it and charge labor. You can get anywhere from $400 to $500. What I did, I charged $400. I think that was a good deal. And yeah, all right, you guys take it easy. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Okay, I'm all done. Let's see, what time is it? Shoot, it's 12 o'clock. I just got done cleaning up, picked up all my tools, picked up all the debris. Everything's done. They're keeping the plywood over there. I didn't put it against the house. Homeowner's son did. But anyways, that's it. That's all she wrote. Got here at 8:30, clocked out at 12. Like I said, I would have been done about 30 minutes earlier if I would have had enough coil nails in my coil gun. So I had to hand drive it. And look, I got to come back for the rocks. They gave me some rocks. Is that awesome for my flower beds at home? All right, I'll see you on the next one, and get out there and make a difference. We see all the junk in there. That's the debris. So I gotta put it in the trailer at my house. I have a big trailer at home, and take it to the dump. But among other stuff, it's in the trailer. It's full. All right, catch you on the next one. Bye.